John 3.
First.
1 John 3:18.
Yes. That's
Yay!
right. And close up.
No one can serve two masters. Matthew 6:24.
Awesome.
Yay!
Oh, last one.
Keep a thing of D.
Oh.
Oh, give thanks to the Lord, for He is good.
Get your hand out.
Huh?
Okay, and what is it? Oh, give thanks to the Lord, for He is good. And what is that?
Huh?
Where's that from?
6? No. 9.
What? You haven't even said anything. Say it again. Oh.
Oh, give thanks to the Lord, for He is good. Psalms,
Uh-huh.
not 34:13.
No.
Not that.
Psalm.
Psalm 118:1.
That's right. Give me 5. Awesome.
Okay.